This animal looks like a nature prank, the platypus. It's like God played Minecraft with random mods. Duck head, beaver tail, and otter body. And if that wasn't enough, it lays eggs. A mammal laying eggs, like Batman suddenly starring in a Disney movie. But wait, it has venom in its legs. Imagine your cat stinging you like a scorpion. The platypus is so weird, it feels like a group of zoologists said, "Okay, let's mix all the bad ideas and make an epic animal." So next time you think you're weird, remember, the platypus exists, and it's a living legend.